And so the jack's under the car. I'm going to show you guys how to change this mount out. And it's actually, I believe it's the easiest mount on the whole car to change out. I've got a handy ratchet. See if I've got enough clearance here for this one. Might have to get a bigger one. But there's also a retainer nut on the other side of this thing that you're going to want to be careful to not lose. But there's the bolt. Here's the retainer. So now the fun part, I've got to get underneath the car and get to that bottom bolt. You guys might be able to see that, you might not. There we go. A little bit of a love tap. Finish up the top one. I did already break the torque on this top one. There's that. Oh yeah. This thing has about had it. That's where probably all of our vibration was coming from. This mount is screwed. Completely broken. So yeah, that's definitely a need to be changed. Throw that one away, grab our new one, sink it down there. Careful not to break that wire. Now I am just going to thread both of these, all three of them technically, in finger tight, just so I don't cross thread anything. So now the bottom bolt gets to go back in. Now the top bolt, stick that all the way through. Putting the retainer back on at the same time. Now this one I believe is going to be about 40 foot-pounds, because that's so far what all the other mounts are looking like. Torque wrench set at 40 foot-pounds. Hopefully we have enough of a swing. So that mount has been replaced. And there's the other one, followed by the other one I just replaced as well.